Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about Andaman vlog day 1 part 2. So today we'll go to Corbians Cove Sea Beach, street shopping, Marina Park, and we will enjoy in kids field as I'm not kid, but then also I will enjoy there. Then we will go to Cellular Jail and we will see everything there. And finally the light and sound show of Cellular Jail. Now I am going towards Island Tourister Hotel, means where I am going to stay in Port Blair in that place. But before that I want to say one thing, that is I am very bad in vlogging as I am very new in this field, but still I am trying my level best to show you the best parts of the vlog, and please pardon my mistakes and stay tuned with me. So finally I am here in the hotel room as you can see, and hi, and this is the room as you can see, and this hotel is very beautiful, very nice, very clean, and they maintained all the precautions of COVID-19. And what I will say about this hotel, this is very beautiful and I loved it.
Now quickly I will change my outfit and we will go to Corbian Sea Beach. So without wasting any time, let's go to Corbian Sea Beach. So now you can see in my left hand side the beach, sea beach, means the Corbian Sea Beach. This is only Corbian Sea Beach, and I think you can see the flag, Indian flag. It is looking very beautiful from here. I'm feeling a little bit proud to be an Indian, and under this we have the place to sit, and in the evening it looks very nice, but I was not able to capture the evening time, so really sorry for that. But still, now we are riding and enjoying in Corbian Sea Beach in family boat. Here I am there, my father is there, my mother is there, and my grandmother is there. My grandfather was really scared of it, so he told that he will not ride this one, but this was very adventurous and I enjoyed a lot.
So now I'm enjoying coconut water with full of views. You can see the view, it is so beautiful, and I'm drinking coconut water. Here my mother, my grandmother, means I call her Dodhon, why I call her I don't know, and my father, they are doing street shopping, means the items that we get from sea. With that items, varieties of new creatures are there. They are marketing that things as you can see. So now we are done with Corbian Sea Beach, and now we are going to Marina Park. Now we will see it. Now we are towards Marina Park. The park is so beautiful and I am going to enjoy it a lot. Now I am going towards the right, means not that right type of thing, means the park items that we usually see. Let me tell you that this is only for kids, but what I am doing here I don't know, but I enjoyed a lot. As you can see, there are small kids, and in the middle of it I am doing this type of things, and this was very struggling for me to come out from this small hole. It was very difficult for me at least. Again I am doing this kiddish type of things, but this was so cherry, means what I will tell, this was sweet memories, cute memories, beautiful memories, and all these stupid things. This was also struggle, not this one only, this whole ride was very struggle for me, but this was little bit relieving, relaxing. And again, this was not struggle, but I tried this one for the first time, means hanging in this. I hang for only for 1 second. Yeah. And now we are in cellular jail. Now we will go inside it and we will roam and we will see all the things, have how much our freedom fighters have struggled for us to give us freedom. I will not tell much things, I will just show you.
अंग्रेज इंडियन पीपल जागृत नहीं करते। अंग्रेज इंडियन पीपल जागृत चलाते हमारे आज़ादी से जब तक इंग्लिश सर्विस चलाते थे दोबारा उनको मैच करवा यूज करें फाइनली फांसी देने की जरूरत नहीं ऑर्डर नंबर देखिए तो उनका बायोडास कनेक्ट कहाँ से बिलोंग करता है बिल्कुल लाते थे वीडियो के साथ ताकि रास्ते से ना स्लिप करें। सेकंड बाहर की तरफ स्ट्रेट और नी को बेंड करके नहीं काट पाते थे और तीसरी डिग्री क्रॉस करते थे 60 मिनट और इनसे काम करवाया जाता था जैसे कि गोलू इसके अलावा बाहर और उनकी पनिशमेंट की यूनिफॉर्म गोरे का, लेकिन तेज के समय उनके शरीर पूरी जख्म हो जाती है उनके साथ कब्जा करते वक्त अलग से पहचानना है। और यहाँ पे अंग्रेज इंट्रोडक्शन पसंद नहीं करता, इंट्रोडक्शन इज वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम।
This is the evening view of cellular jail, and now we will go inside there and we will see the light and sound show. Finally, the light and sound show is over, and now we are eating papri chaat, delicious papri chaat, and already my father is eating. Here is my grandfather, grandmother, means my dadu and dadon, and now I am eating, and it is very, very yummy. So guys, now I am back from cellular jail, and I have freshened up and I changed my costume. I wore a night suit. I was not able to show you the light and music show because camera was not allowed, so I was not able to do that. And our day 1 is finally over. I hope that all of you have loved my today's video. If you, let me know in the comment section below, and I will be soon there with day 2. For that, stay tuned, stay safe, stay happy.